Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2020 Chevrolet Traverse. This vehicle is featured in silver metallic paint with black alloy rims featuring red striping. We also have our black leather interior, heated and cooled seats, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, backup camera, and dual sunroofs. Now onto the interior of the Traverse. We'll take a look at the door panel, which features our soft touch foam, black leather, chrome door handle with lock and unlock buttons and memory seat option just in front. Then our close handle, window and mirror controls. Below we have our Bose speaker, power liftgate controls and storage. And on the side of the seat we have our power seat adjustment with lumbar support. Off to the left of the steering wheel we have our settings for lighting, gauge cluster with screen. Controls for that screen are found on the right side of the steering wheel. On the left we have our cruise control, front collision alert, and heated steering wheel. The steering wheel is wrapped in black leather. Then we have our infotainment screen, which comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as our built-in reverse camera with adaptive guidelines and overhead view. We also have the option to fold up that screen. Behind it we have plenty of storage room. It's fully felt lined as well. Under that we have the controls for our dual zone climate, as well as heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger. Below we have two USB ports, auxiliary input, SD card slot, and 12-volt charging port with cover, remote charging pad, our gear selection stalk, two cup holders, as well as our electric park brake, lane departure warning, traction control, and four-wheel drive system. We also have our patent leather center console lid. Inside we have plenty of storage room. The front seats are featured in black patent leather with copper stitching and perforated leather. Again, these are heated and cooled front seats. We have our rear view mirror that doubles as a rear view camera. Above that are OnStar controls, dome lights and dome light settings, sunroof and moonroof controls, and three garage door openers. And we have a dual sunroof and moonroof overhead. Now moving back onto the exterior of the vehicle, we can take a closer look at our black alloy rims with our red striping. We also have our Traverse badging featured in black with red underneath to create kind of a 3D and unique look. We also have our black metallic mirror caps with black metallic door handles. Black featured throughout the windows as well. And we also have our rear privacy tint to create a nice contrast between the silver and black. We also have chrome lock and unlock buttons on all four door handles around the vehicle. Around to the rear we have our dual exhaust, our blacked out rear taillights, as well as Traverse and all-wheel drive badging. Power activated liftgate, which we can also activate using the key or the button on the inside of the vehicle. And once inside we have plenty of storage room with the rear 60/40 folded down. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Traverse, we'll take a look at the rear door panel, which features our chrome door handle, window switch, cup holder, our speaker and storage underneath. The rear seats are featured in black patent leather with perforated leather and the addition of our leather armrest. Back of the front seats we have our leather magazine holders. And back of the center console area we have our rear climate controls, as well as our rear heated seat option, 3-prong outlet, and two USB ports with storage underneath. Moving down the aisle in the back, we have our rear 60/40 split bench, which is currently folded down, thus making for a total of 7 seats in the vehicle. And off to either side, we have 2 cup holders and our USB ports. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2020 Chevrolet Traverse. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.